You might have seen lots of skyscrapers around, but how do you exactly go to the top floors of those high, huge buildings? You use a lift. Elevator are one of the most important invention in human history. It was originally designed by Archimedes, where Greek in 236 BC used ropes, pulleys and capstan to operate an elevator. Even Colosseum used to use 28 lifts to carry animals around. The design of elevators that we use today was developed by Elisha Otis. In 1854, Elisha Otis developed an elevator where it had safety hoist to prevent the lift from falling in case the chain or the rope broke. These were groundbreaking designs in elevator. Do you know, even today, Otis is one of the most famous company manufacturing elevators.